Welcome to CIT Tech Tips. Today I will be teaching you the differences between vector and raster image formats. What are raster images? Raster images are also known as bitmap images and use pixels to render images. These types of images are usually found in photography and they're easier to make smaller images in photo editing software. However, it is difficult to change the size or resolution once it's put in. Vector images are images that use a mathematical equation to create a line that will make the shape. And usually because of this, it will lead to clearer pictures. Common file types for these involve, for raster, .png, JPEG, GIF, TIFF, and BMP, and then vector files include AI, which is the Adobe Illustrator, EPS, PDF, and SVG. You would use a raster file if you're in digital photography, and you would use a vector file if you're making an illustration or a logo. Those are the differences. Thanks for watching. Now just explain.